From Xtreme Polishing Systems in Deerfield Beach, Florida, and we are here today to talk about our new product in the Genie family. It's Genie Presto. Genie Presto is an electric single-phase 220 burnishing machine that is going to replace, this is the future of burnishers. Okay, this is going to replace all the propane burnishers that all the contractors have out there in the field. Why is that? Because propane burnishers just really aren't, they're not friendly. They're not friendly to the people that are using them. They're not friendly in small spaces. And California is going to wind up banishing propane burnishers. They'll be the first state that's going to do it, and it's going to be a trickle-down effect from there. And I know a lot of people are geared up with propane motors on their grinders. I'm saying we do not recommend propane grinders here at Xtreme Polishing Systems. We don't like propane grinders. It's definitely, it's something that you should be using electrical, okay? Our Genies, the reason why they're so popular is because it's a great residential machine for doing single phase. 220, it's very easy hookup, pull off of a 30 amp breaker. And this machine is catered the same way. We've made it and designed it to be a single phase 220 machine. It's got a 10 horsepower Siemens motor on it. And we're going to demonstrate it today with our Xtreme Shield. Going over some of these features on the machine. This is a variable speed machine. This is going to run up to 2800 RPMs, okay, and it's electric. So you're going to see, you'll be able to adjust it based off of, you know, really how tall a person you're going to have running. And most people are going to run it at this rate here or down here, okay. But most of us run it right in this slot right here. Some of the benefits of the Presto and what makes it such a great tool to have out there for the polishing industry. This is your on-off button. Right now it's in the off position, okay? So we're going to switch it to the on position, okay? And then we're going to have it at the lowest RPMs, and then we hit it on, and we're going to start to turn the speeds up. Bottom of the Presto, okay? Now the Presto machine, okay, as you can tell, we have it set up here so you can put different size pads on here. You can put either 3-inch pads or you can put 4-inch pads, and you can run these wet. These are your normal resin pads. If you want to do cream polishes, it's a perfect cream polish machine. This here is our Rolex pad. This is a 1500 grit, so we're going to put the 1500 grit on today. And you notice how easy it goes on when you got all that Velcro to work with? It stays on there real good. You want to make sure it's centered on the machine. And it's nice and secure, okay? A lot of times on the propane burnishers, and notice how easy this goes back, because the propane burnishers are a little bit more difficult to put back to change the pads, and then you got to deal normally with some kind of a plastic nut that normally breaks halfway during the middle of the night, and then you can't continue your burnishing. We've made this with a low profile hood on it, so it's going to get underneath your big box retail places rack shelving. So I just want you to see how easy that is to put back and put down. The machine weighs 350 pounds and has over 300 pounds of head pressure, okay? So when you start it up, you're going to get some good speed going out of it. Notice how quiet it runs. This is an electric motor. It's 10 horsepower. It's a Siemens motor. And it does a really nice job. What we're going to do is we're going to put our Xtreme Shield on the floor over here. And we're going to show you exactly what a great job this will do. Once again, this is a 1500 diamond grip pad that we're going across the surface with right now. This is the Genie Presto. Very easy to maneuver. You can use one hand. There we go. Get a microfiber pad, and we're going to start this up. And we're going to turn it off right now. Drum mixing up 5-gallon buckets and single gallons, okay, to keep up with the demand on our product. Mr. Razor's got the microfiber pad, and Dr. Jimmy's holding the sprayer. What we do is just spray the top of the microfiber pad first. I'm just going to make me work today, huh? Okay, I got you.
It'll be dry in that time.
Xtreme Shield's been on the market now for 5 years. One of the best sealers on the market. Outperforms a lot of the competitors out there. A lot of happy customers. With the Xtreme Shield is make sure it's fully dry before you put the burnishing pad on it, or you're not going to be very happy with the results. So we got to let this dry. It takes about maybe 10 minutes for a full dry. Dude, we have to put those three in. Start the Presto up, Mr. Razor. And we're going to watch Xtreme Shield and Presto in synchronicity do an unbelievable job.
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so.
What's that? Are we in 3,000 pads? No. Out of stock. That's all right.
That's 1,600. That sounds pretty nice.
Notice how quiet the Presto is. For the mechanic that's operating the machine, it's a beautiful thing. He doesn't have to breathe any emissions. You can use it while the store is open. You can use this while the store is open. People can be shopping in the aisle right next to you and they don't know you're running a machine. It's a great machine for anybody that owns a supermarket or owns a retail space and wants to maintain their polished concrete floor.
chase it around?
And guess what you're doing?
Video.
All right, basically what you have here on the floor is we have the two colors are sunrise and green apple. The sunrise is on the outside, green apple's on the inside. This floor has been densified with Xtreme Hard densifier and has been in use now for probably, since this color's been down, almost 2 years. And Xtreme Shield has been reapplied. This is the second time we've reapplied Shield in this particular location. And as you can tell, you got a beautiful looking floor. Anyways, feel free to contact us at the number below on the screen. Definitely make sure you become a subscriber on YouTube, and make sure you shop on XtremePolishingSystems.com. Thanks for coming by today, and hope everybody has a great day.